So guys, here comes our XAUUSD, which is our gold to our USD. We actually did analysis yesterday. I think it was on the 29th. It was yes 29, where we predicted that our XAU will actually open and close bullish. Now take a look at this XAU 29. Right, this was the 29. We actually opened and closed bullish. Though the bullish move was actually late, so by the way, so we had a huge candlestick, but at the end of the day, our prediction was kind of correct. Now we would want to see where this price will actually be going for today, which is on the 30, right? Now in order to be able to do so, we would want us to see this movement from this weekly time frame aspect of it. So let's analyze some key level here, which I will be taking here as a key level, right? So we can take here also as a key level, right? We saw that once the price roll up, it came to this level, then it dropped up, right? Then we also roll up again, hit this week here, and a drop happen. So please, before you go, if you did not subscribe, please click on the subscribe button. So now back to it. We saw price rejected here multiple times, 2 times, 1 year, another 1 year. So once price came down to this level, we saw it actually react again. We saw it come here to react here, pushes up, came down here, it also reacted, pushes up. It also came down to this level here, pushes up. Now we saw it drop again to this level again before it bounced up. And guess what? Price broke below it. Price broke below it. We all know when we are trading support and resistance, once price breaks below resistance level or it breaks below support level, we tend to see price come back to test that support level. Now take a look at it. This was the previous support level, right? And price kind of pushes up. Then once price broke below it, right, we all know that our price should actually come back to test the level it broke out from. So this is why we are having this bullish move on our weekly time frame. And is a bullish move over? Definitely not. We still want to see it roll also. Weekly time frame, we are still on a bullish move to actually test this level. Then maybe possibly a drop should occur. Now secondly is that on our next one we have is our daily time frame. Let's see here. So daily time frame, you all can see, let's just assume this recent movement here. Definitely we are on a bearish move, right? Daily time frame, gold is actually bearish to our USD. You notice that our USD index is actually giving us that bullish move. So once USD index is giving us that bullish move, we tend to see a bearish move on our gold, right? So if you notice that, there's what I also did analysis on this, how to trade gold fundamentally. So anytime we are having a bull run on our USD, right, maybe let us assume USD index, once there is a bull run on the USD itself, then there used to be a bearish move on the gold. But once there is a bull run on the gold, then there will be a bearish move on the USD. So just notice that as long as the USD is giving us a bullish move, then expect a drop on gold. But once USD index starts dropping, then expect a bull run on gold. Now take a look at this USD index. This is the USD index on the daily time frame. We can see this impulse movement, a bull run, right? You can see this movement, price is actually going up. You see that this movement also reflects on our gold itself on the daily time frame. As our USD index was actually giving us that bullish move, the gold itself was dropping. Now let's dive into the analysis for the next day. We want to predict it too. So we saw this impulse move, a correction, another impulse move, right? A correction was made. Then we had this huge impulse move. So after this impulse move on USD index, of course we are expecting a correction to be made. It is what we are having, right? So is the correction over? Definitely not. Notice that as we are having this correction, which was giving us a bearish move, our gold itself is giving us that bullish move, right? You can see this bullish move on our gold. So as long as this USD index continues to drop, which means our USD continues to drop, then you would continue to see a bullish move on the gold. Now take a look at this gold. First of all, this was green, 3 green, right? This was the 29 of the green. The last one we had. So gold market has not opened. Now take a look at it here, red. This was 29 also. So once our USD index closed red, then we add a green on our gold. So now is this bearish move over on our USD index? Definitely no. We will see what to still see a little bit of drop. Possibly today we will be expecting to go bearish, we should close bearish today, right, on the 30. That is to say that our gold to our USD should also give us that green. So that is exactly what we are expecting. So we should be expecting to close bullish also today on our gold for the 30. Now let's see this analysis on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's see it analyze some key level here on our 4-hour time frame, and let's see how the key level will play out. Now we can see that price was actually ranging within this area on the 4-hour time frame, right? Let's highlight it here. So this level was once our support and resistance level. Once price comes to this our resistance level, we see it drop to our support level, right? So it's kind of tapped this level multiple times, right? So price actually then broke below it, then price broke below it, then price roll up to test this level. Now we've seen another drop, right? So guys, we are still expecting a bearish move on our USD index. That is to tell you that we will still be expecting a bullish move on our gold. So guys, still be expecting a bullish move on gold. Possibly next week we should be able to achieve it. I don't think we will achieve it all day today, maybe next week. So the next level, if our goal is to continue to go bullish, the next level we are aiming for is this previous resistance level. We see that price once range within this level, right, which was once the support and resistance level. So this is the next level we will expect our gold to actually move up to. Let us see a level of 1677. So guys, we are trading at 1660. So if the gold can push up to 1677 with on our 4-hour time frame, then fine, that is it. You should be able to grab a lot. And basically, maybe once we have this little bit of, let's see if there will be a little bit of a rejection here. I don't know if it will happen that way. I don't know. But let's see if there will be a bit of a rejection. Once a little bit of a rejection occurs, then maybe a breakout should occur to come and hit this resistance level. It depends on how price plays. Once we know that this is where our price would want to hit, this is the goal, not only for today and also next week. 1677 is the level we would want our gold to actually hit.